Crude oil and natural gas both have started off the week on a good bullish note here. Now, oil has moved towards the next milestone, the next resistance zone 63 and 64. This is a crucial resistance zone. We have discussed this at length in our multiple sessions in last few weeks. And now it is again going to offer a critical resistance. Can we expect oil to break this and keep moving towards 66? Can we expect it to rise more or wait for a reversal and drop? And what about natural gas? Natural gas is also now seen trading beyond 3.2, which is a good sign, which is a supportive sign for the bulls. But we have to wait for 3.3, 3.32 to be taken in order to confirm further rise. So what is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates on oil and gas. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Yes, the next update is going to be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Look at oil on the hourly charts. A stronger rise here. We have seen a move towards 63.8, and if you recall in my weekly forecast and analysis, I have mentioned, see, retracement, it is forming higher lows. Now since the retracement, it is still, look at the bullishness getting diminished. The drop was comparatively sharp, the retracement is gradual, and it is seen taking support as well. So taking support is a good sign that it is trying to trade bullish, and yes, it has come down towards the next resistance zone, and these levels are very crucial here. So now for the day, if you see oil trading beyond 63.4, you can stay with the buys, expect 63.8, 64. This is the crucial number for the day. And if at all it trades beyond 64 is where the bulls are waiting. Right now, a bit of consolidation is seen. Moving averages trading with divergence is staying bullish here. Stochastic flat, MACD has seen a good retracement, waiting for it to cross over for a sell. RSI rising here. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts. The crossover on the moving average is on the buy side. See higher lows here, higher highs are seen. And now it has to trade below 63 and then 62.8. Very crucial support exists in crude oil now till 62. As long as 62 is respected, we should not be treating oil as bearish. Also notice, we have discussed this several times, 61.5 has become a milestone for oil to breach below. If and only if oil trades below 61.5, we should treat this as a reversal. Else what could happen? See double bottom, and once it breaches beyond 64, we can look forward to another round of rise here. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising, signs are still supportive for further bullishness. On the 3-hour charts, the crossover in the moving averages on the buy side. This is again a good sign for the bulls. Rise, retracement, rise, and see this is waiting for a breakout move here. If you see oil beyond 63.4, we can expect a rise here. But very important, till 64, you have to be extremely cautious. Till 64, oil is not bullish. Remember this fact. Only and only if it trades beyond 64, we can expect the bulls to be taking over strongly. Until 64, you have to be extremely cautious with the buys here. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. Signs are supportive for further bullishness here. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, see this. Moving averages crossed over, trading with divergence is staying bullish, lower highs are seen. And yes, very crucial zone, this is still 64. Till here we have to be watchful, careful, alert. Though you can see rise, retracement, now the support is seen at 62.3. This is the zone, first zone, which oil has to trade below. As long as 62.3 is not taken, we have to be careful with the sells here. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are showing a rise. Coming to daily, look at daily charts here. The support here has got stronger. Though we had seen for once the price is breaching below the support here, but since then we had seen a greater support coming in at 61.5 levels here. And thus, as long as this on the daily charts is not taken, you have to be careful, extremely careful. Look at further. See what has happened. Rise, pull back, again a rise, lower highs. So today's move is going to be very important. If at all oil decides to trade beyond 64, that will confirm another round of rise here, which is going to take the prices all the way towards 65 and then 66 levels. And now we know that any move beyond 66 is a clear sign of a greater rise here. But these are distant targets for now. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over for a buy. It is looking bullish. RSI is rising. So looking at this, what I'll recommend, where to buy? And before I provide you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The current batch started yesterday, and what you get from this batch is all the tools, techniques, and strategies which you have developed with our years of experience for you to take a trade with profit. Yes, with the help of these, definitely you can be or increase at least your winning rate ratio. Second thing is, even if you miss any of the classes, you can join any of the live sessions in future, and you will also get the recordings plus the hand holding beyond the mentorship batch. When the batch is over, you can have an at length discussion with us in order to get the direction and in order to confirm your trade. So do not miss to join the batch. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. If you're looking forward to just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. And those looking for a trusted partner which offers you a safe free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First is where you can buy 63.4, you can buy 63.8, 64 first target zone, then expect 64.5 and then 65.25. If this is taken, expect 65.8, 66, and possibly it could give a breakout very very soon. If not today, then possibly with the inventory data tomorrow. But till 64 you have to be extremely cautious. It's not bullish, very clear. It can reverse sharp, it can drop sharp. On the downside, thus I'll recommend a selling entry now at 62.8. Expect 62.5, 62.3 as the strongest support here. If this is taken, then you can expect that this is a reversal. Expect 61.8, 61.5. Any drop below 61.5 is a clear indication of a drop towards 60. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas is clearly seen taking support now from 3.1 levels, and this also we had discussed. 3.1, 3.07 is the zone which is going to offer it a very good support. What has happened, you can see first attempt, second attempt, though today it has given a gap down but have recovered, now waiting for a breakout again. Now the most crucial zone here is 3.24, 3.28 and 3.3 zone. Once it trades beyond 3.28, we can expect it to trade with bullishness here. If you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over. This is a supportive sign for further bullishness. The stochastic is overbought, trying to cool down. But look at the MACD, it is now on the verge of a crossover for sell. RSI flat at the top. On the 2-hour charts, when you see similar observation, see the moving average is crossing over here, supportive sign for further rise. Since the gap down and a good recovery, now look at this, the movement is a slight sluggish here. Thus pretty important for gas to break out beyond 3.24, which is a good sign for further bullishness. When you look at the moving averages, these have already crossed over and these are trading bullish, and right now the price is seen trading taking the support from the 5-period moving average, which is also a good sign here. Stochastic overbought, MACD has seen a good rise. The RSI is flat here. On the 3-hour charts, when you see, very very important to note the support it is seen taking from 3.1. But if you connect the lows and the highs, this is important to note this. Look at the flag here. So it is very very important now for gas to come out of this flag. And once it delivers this breakout, once it trades beyond 3.3 specifically, this time the movement is going to be stronger. This time possibility of a move towards 3.5, 3.6 will be very very high. The moving averages have crossed over, which is again a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over, it is trading with divergence, is staying bullish. The RSI is almost staying flat, waiting for it to take a direction here. And if you see the 4-hour chart, see the moving averages have started to converge but failing to cross over again. We can see the divergence here. Now pretty important for gas to break past these highs. Pretty important for gas to trade above 3.24. Once it trades beyond 3.24, it will confirm the next round of rise, which is going to take it towards 3.28, 3.3, the first target zone. And if that is taken, that is the point of time you can confirm the confirmation of further rise here. We can see the highs towards 3.4, 3.5 levels as well. Possibility exists strong. Stochastic staying overbought. MACD, since the retracement towards the bottom, has crossed over. This is a supportive sign for further bullishness, and the RSI is rising here as well. Coming to daily chart, On the daily chart, similar observation. See, it has posted a reversal sign since then the price is traded bearish. And now if you look at what is happening, it is still trading with this flag formation. Very, very, very important for gas to trade beyond 3.2425 and then 3.28, 3.3. Remember, these are going to remain crucial zone for gas here. Any breakout beyond 3.3 is certainly a very, very good indication for a move towards 3.5 levels as well. Let's wait for it to take a direction. See, the moving averages after a while are seen converging, which is also a good sign for the bulls. Also on the daily charts, drop, sideways movement, retracement, drop, sideways movement, retracement. Also notice it is breached past this near term bearish channel, which suggests that it can move towards the highs here, which is right now sitting at around 3.8 levels. Let's wait for the move in this week, which is going to determine the next targets here. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. So considering this, what you can do first is where you should buy. That is pretty clear at 3.24. As long as now 3.24 is not taken, do not initiate a buy. You can expect 3.28, 3.3 levels, the first target levels here. Beyond this, ideally, I'll be looking at 3.35 and then 3.4. And beyond 3.4, it's going to hit 3.5 levels very, very soon, not, if not in this week, then I think it is going to be difficult. But yes, at least it might show you this rise beyond 3.3 levels. Certainly we can expect it to move towards 3.4, 3.5 by today or tomorrow. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry, because see, it is very, very important to look at the next move. As if you see now oil trading below 3.2, you can expect 3.18, 3.17, very good support zone here. Only and only if it is seen trading below this, expect 3.1415. See, now the support levels on the downside are pretty stronger. Till here it has got a stronger support. 3.1 next, then 3.08, 3.07. If this is also taken, then it is a reversal. Stay short for 3 and 2.97. If you recall, I have shared this several times. Till 2.97, I'll not be treating gas as bearish. Hence, this still holds good. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank